Hello everyone, start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and roll the hair in on itself. Take two more sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself and then tighten it. Now divide the hair into two parts and starting from the right side we have decided to braid the hair. Now braid the hair on the left side as well, add a rubber band to the end of it, crisscross it at the bottom and then pin it up on the alternate ends. Then add a pin at the top of it that is decorative in nature in order to fasten it in its place on the left side, and now do the same on the right side as well. Now adjust the hair around it as need be. This will be the final look of our hairstyle. Next, we'll start off by dividing the hair into three parts and we will be making a braid out of the hair. Now once you reach the bottom of it, add a rubber band to it and then you may adjust the sides using your fingers. By adjust the sides, we mean loosen the sides using your fingers. Now roll this braid upwards and fasten it in place using a two-pronged decorative pin. Lift up the ends of it. Divide the hair into three parts and then begin to braid it. Make sure that the braid that you make is firmly and tightly put and also equally put. Now, as you progress with this braid, using your fingers, loosen each side of it as such. Make it very visibly loosened and then do this only for a few strands of it. Once you have finished tying a rubber band, loosen the sides again, once more adjust it properly and now roll it up into a bun as such. After you have rolled it up into a bun, fasten it in place using a decorative pin. Start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair and then use the rubber band around it. Now take a hairnet that is also attached to a clip and then add this to the top of your ponytail. Now gather all of the hair inside this net. Before doing so, roll it upwards in order to make your job all the more easier. Now take the elastic portion of it and then wrap it around the bun that you have created. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and roll the hair in on itself through this. Add a rubber band in the middle of the section, roll the hair in on itself through the section, pull it through the top section you've created. Taking the left side of this, begin to make a braid out of it. Make sure that it is evenly put. Once you tie a rubber band at the bottom, move on to the right side and repeat the same steps over there as well. That is, make a braid and as you progress with the braid, loosen the sides using your fingers. Taking the left side braid, roll it up and pin it up towards the right side as such. Next, start off by tying a ponytail out of your hair and then roll the hair in on itself. Roll it in through the side and now loosen the sections using your fingers. Taking the hair, make a braid out of it as such, add a rubber band to it at the bottom, loosen the sides using your fingers once again, roll it upwards and then fasten it in place using a decorative pin. Gather the hair together and then begin to make a braid out of it as such. Add a rubber band to the end of this braid, divide the hair into two parts and then wrap it around the braid and then tie it up. Thank you for watching.